Good evening, this is Kevin with the Lucid Pellucid blog, and I'm here making a video because I have gone out and bought a $40 light bulb. Yes sir, that's right, this is a $40 light bulb based on LEDs from Philips, your favorite Dutch company that has brought you such things as the audio cassette and the compact disc. We're going to plug this sucker into a socket and see how it puts out light. And for color references, we have an unspecified brand of colored wax markers, as well as a tastefully done rainbow in the well-known Roy G. Biv configuration, along with some colored wax markers. Note that this light bulb has a yellow-orange color to it, but supposedly, if you can read that, when lit, it changes color. Much as I do myself, come to think of it. Alright, let's proceed to unbox this thing and screw it in. I'll mention that to start off with here, we're using that gold standard of light invented by Thomas Alva Edison, who you might know as the Wizard of Menlo Park. We're starting off with a 60-watt incandescent light bulb. This LED light bulb from Philips is supposed to replace a 60-watt light bulb, so we'll see how that goes. And sorry I can't show the unboxing, we've only got two hands to work with here. Here we have our three yellow lobes. The three lobes are our way to get the light-emitting diodes, which put out light very directionally, to put out light using multiple diodes in many different directions to try to simulate that the way that a standard light bulb puts out lights in all directions. The base here is a heavy metal base. It's a kind of a grill. It's intended for heat dissipation. This thing is packed with electronics, generates a lot of heat. It's rated at 12.5 watts. That, of course, is the great benefit, using 12.5 watts to replace a 60-watt light bulb. This is dimmable. I don't have a dimmable fixture, but that could be important to some people. This is made in China. I guess if I said that China had a fascist, despotic government, that this video would be censored in China and no one would see it. And it's made by Philips, again your favorite Dutch company. We'll see what Philips can do. Okay, now we go to the long-awaited first lighting. I've got that bulb screwed into the lamp, and ping, boom. Pretty quickly we got good light off. Not at all like a compact fluorescent, which can take a few minutes to stabilize and fully warm up and brighten up. I think we got pretty much full brightness right from the get-go. It's a nice looking light. I would call it warm and pleasing, very much reminiscent of incandescent light bulb. In the lighting industry, warm means it's got some red and yellow in the spectrum, reminiscent of incandescent bulbs, as opposed to your kind of a weird piercing ghostly blue that you get with some compact fluorescent bulbs. I would say I can perceive maybe some slight difference from a real incandescent bulb, but it's pretty good. I got no complaints. I could sit here and read with this light, no problem. We'll say something about the longevity of this. If you read the literature of the industry, LED light bulbs are expected to last up to 50,000 hours. What does that mean? If you ran it 24/7, it would last, say, 5.7 years. But if you ran at a more modest average of, 4 hours a day, you're looking at up to 35 years. Actually, I should say Philips is using some other number for this light bulb. It's advertising its life at 22 years and change if you used it 3 hours a day. So that's less than 50,000. I've done the arithmetic on that. Will it ever pay for itself? No. People will try to justify that these will pay for themselves, but they won't. If you do the real calculation, yeah, it uses a whole lot less energy than a regular light bulb, but it costs a lot more money up front. You factor in time value of money, it's not going to pay for itself. So that's not why I bought it. I bought it because I got a Jones for technology. I wanted to see how that thing worked. As promised, it is not putting out orange light. Those yellow-orange lobes look pretty white now. And being an LED bulb, I should be able to touch this thing. Yeah, no problem. It is warm. I wouldn't want to leave my hand there for too long, but you can definitely touch it. So, verdict, pretty happy with this. I'm going to do a lot of reading with this light bulb for 22.8 years, it looks like. Well, till next time, this is Kevin at Lucid Pellucid. Have a nice day.